I'm Wendy Orrick. I'm with Precision Planting, specifically Radicle Agronomics. So we focus on nutrient management. So typically what happens on a crop cycle is we're going to test the soil to see what the fertility levels are, what the nutrient levels are in the soil, and then make decisions on how much fertilizer to apply. So how Radicle Agronomics achieves that is that we have introduced the world's first fully automated soil laboratory. So typically these soil tests, you go out and physically take some of the soil, you probe the ground and get a sample of it. And then you send that off to a commercial laboratory where it's analyzed just like any other laboratory would analyze a sample of something. And then the results are sent back to the agronomist or the farmer. However, we've automated that whole process so that now we've taken 20 manual steps, in some cases more like 30 manual steps that are being done by a technician in the lab and made it fully automated, which increases not just the time that it takes to analyze the sample, but also the accuracy because we've removed any of the inconsistency in human error. The cool thing is farmers are already soil sampling, so it's not like we're introducing a new process into the farmer's life cycle. It's not a new cost that they are having to spend. However, right now, there isn't a lot of confidence in the current soil sampling process. Because the laboratory analysis process has a lot of error built into the process, it's actually the same process that they've been using for 100 years. The technology literally hasn't changed. So it's time for some new innovation in that industry. And farmers recognize it and are excited to have more accurate results. So this is just the first step. So getting an accurate, repeatable soil analysis is the first step for improving the whole soil health world. From there we can build, other companies can build, the whole industry can build new technologies, whether that's scanning the soil, whether that's making better recommendations, possibly using AI. There's a lot of different opportunities, but until you have a consistent, repeatable test, any other technology needs to build off of that. So I'm excited to see us continue to innovate and bring more tools for farmers. So I come from a farming background. My family farms, my husband farms, agriculture is in my blood. I've worked my entire career in agriculture. So I'm really excited about bringing more tools to farmers. In the near future, though, we have Winter Conference coming up in a couple weeks. So that is where we showcase our new technology at Precision Planting. So encourage everyone that can to attend in-house or at any of our 10 locations across the U.S.